Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Greatbacks. In today's video, we're going to show you how to diagnose and troubleshoot a clogged Prolux upright. Let's get started. We're going to show you a quick trick to help troubleshoot and find your clog. So go ahead, plug your vacuum in and turn it on and test the suction here. If the suction's good, go ahead, take the hose off, test it here if it's good. Go ahead, take the wand out and test the suction. If you notice the suction is poor in any of those areas, that's probably where the clog is going to be. So remove it with any choice of your method you prefer. Let's say you've done all that and the suction is still poor. There's one last place you can check. It's this fill tube that connects to the main wand and connects down to this power head section. So what you're gonna wanna do is release the foot pedal, drop the vacuum. There's two screws holding on the metal plate. Just take them out, take the plate off, and you'll notice there's a tube. Go ahead and just check it. And it's pretty much where all the clogs will be. So if you've done all that and you're still having poor suction, or your brush roll is spitting dirt back out, send us an email at service at Greatbacks and we'll help you a little more. I hope that video is helpful and you're able to fix your vacuum on your own. If you need any parts such as brush roll, belts, bags, HEPA filters, or a filter for 6000 for your Prolux upright models, we got them. Links for purchase will be in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our new videos. Greatbacks is the only authorized Prolux dealer, so if you need it, we got it. What are your thoughts on the upright models from Prolux? Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.